some very interesting talk on experience in the insurance space. Unlike most of the other segments, insurance has been an area where there is a lot of stress that happens into the space of experience, and there is experience everywhere. Let us talk to some interesting dignitaries from the field of insurance and understand from them how they are creating experience everywhere in this age of digital transformation. With me is Parvez Mullah, who is the Chief Operating Officer of HDFC Life, and he is going to share some fantastic experiences with us. Hello Parvez.
Hello Babu, glad to be here.
You know, you have been an industry leader when it comes to innovation, when it comes to digital technologies. I'm sure a lot of it may not be possible unless and until you engage with the fintechs or the insurtechs in the world. What kind of interesting experiences have you had with? How are you taking these relationships forward, especially in an area of open finance, open insurance, etc.?
A lot of work is happening in the outside ecosystem in the startup world. So we've launched a program called as Future Runs, which is future insurance, and we've tied up with Ivy Camp along with us. We've done 2 phases of this program. We invited about more than 1,000 startups to applied for this particular program. In the first phase, 100 startups got selected. We gave them use cases which we were trying to work on, and those out of those 100 startups, maybe 5 or 10 get finally selected, and they partner with us in terms of doing a project or a use case and then taking it to conclusion.
So with the kind of associations with startups and in an open financial services world, there definitely is going to be a concern about data sharing and data management typically. And with the laws becoming more and more stringent, or probably the laws going to be announced. So what is your thought on how the organizations have to work around it?
Organizations will have to get ready with the data protection as well as data security laws. Consumers will need to be much more aware in terms of their rights, and institutions, including the government institutions, need to be aware on what they will regulate and what they will not, and what are the ease with which they need to. So all these will evolve over a period of time. At present, I think with the present set of laws, the kind of data sharing that is happening, companies are trying to find a solution where you can be compliant plus giving an user experience to the customer which is frictionless. Because as long as the customer has shared the data with you earlier, he doesn't want to again give you the same data. Wherever the consent is available, all the companies need to work together and find a solution which will make the customer not give that data again. Data vaults, DigiLockers are a good step in the right direction, because then everybody can ping. Bureaus are a good step, because as soon as today you see that in lending companies, you ping the bureau. If the score is good, a loan can happen. Tomorrow, if I were to get a life score of a customer, I could ping a company, somebody could give me a life score, I could give an insurance based on that if my reinsurer agrees.
And let's try to understand what is your wish list on what should happen in the industry, or what is it that you would be really thrilled to see?
I personally think the customers will continue to demand simplification. The customers will continue to say, make my journey simple, make my service frictionless, personalize the entire journey for me, nudge me in my world. That means wherever I am, if you want to sell me an insurance, it should be an incidental buy. It should not be actually thrust upon me. I should be incidentally buying it. But I definitely see that platforms are the way forward. More and more platforms are going to come in, and the customer is going to buy a insurance product as an incidental buy. We are working on retirement as a big platform, and that is going to be a space that we believe the customer should be focused on. We believe that giving a customer a one-stop shop for retirement of all solutions, because today a customer or a individual in India is not as focused on retirement as he should be. 20 years down the line, India is not going to be a young country, it will be in a middle age kind of a country. The number of retirement options today that the customer has are much lesser. Traditional systems of joint families have no longer continued the way they are. Today I'm not sure whether my son will take care of me. Earlier my father was very confident that his son will take care of him. Those kind of things are a reality today. So insurance products and retirement products are going to be a necessity, and that is why it requires a platform, and we are trying to fill that gap, and we believe it's a product which is going to take 10 years down the line, 11 years down the line, it might be a platform which will be there. So platforms is definitely going to happen. Voice, I think, is going to be a big thing. Alexa is or a Google Assistant is a simplified journey where a customer just talks to the device and things happen. Artificial intelligence could take to the next level. You are already seeing versions of avatars which are coming in. You might have virtual people serving you. So some of those things could be a reality in real time. AR, VR could be much more cheaper than it is, and gamifications could be a big thing that could come into insurance. So all these are interesting things, but one will have to look at its maturity as well as cost and the use case that it will bring in.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Babu. Thank you for inviting me.
Thank you.